Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a method in Java. So first of all, we will write the name of our class public class function3. It's our file name. So in this, we are going to make a method void display. It is for displaying the output which we are passing. So I will make it system.out.println. Sorry, .out.println. In this, I am learning Java. So our next task is to call its function by main method. So what we will do now, public static void main. It's a shortcut in VS Code. So now I am going to make an object of this class. So what we are going to do is function 3, function 3 r equal to new function 3 braces. Now I am going to call that method. So the method for calling it is r dot reference variable dot the name of a method. So it is display. So we will call it now control plus s for saving the code. Now we are going to run the code and see our output. So I'm going to new terminal. Let's click that and see our result. I'm going to click run button. Let's see. I am learning Java. Here you can see that in this we have made a method, first of all void method to display our result system.out.println. I am learning Java. So here by main method, the execution of our Java program always starts from the main method. So here the function r equal to new function r, we have make the object of the class, and r dot display is for calling the function. So in this way we have